Good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing worksheet number 4 of class 10, subject science. The topic of discussion is electron, proton, and neutron. You know some basic idea about these subatomic particles. You have studied it in previous class. You have seen that Dalton, he proposed that atom is extremely small, very small, and it cannot be further broken into smaller pieces. But later the scientists discovered that even atom, which was supposed to be the smallest particle, it could further be broken down into its constituents. They were termed as electrons, protons, and neutrons. Now these further constituents were termed as subatomic particles. Let us see the feature of each one of them, but before that, let's see the model. The Neil Bohr model of atom, where the subatomic particles which are inside the nucleus, there are two types, protons and neutrons. Proton, we'll see the feature. Proton is positively charged, neutron does not have any charge, and electrons, which revolve around the fixed orbit, which are also called as shells, they are negatively charged in nature. Okay, let us see the feature of each one of them. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. The symbol to represent electron is E. It has a negative charge on it. Okay, it has negative charge on it. And what is the position? Where is the electron located inside the atom? It revolves around the nucleus of the atom in the orbit. Okay. Then for proton was discovered by E. Goldstein. The symbol of proton is P. The charge on proton is positive. Proton is situated in the nucleus of the atom, as it is very clearly shown in the figure. You can see that protons are in the nucleus. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. What is the symbol? The symbol of neutron is N. Neutron is neutral in nature. As the name suggests, neutron is neutral. That means it does not have any charge on it, zero charge. Neutron is situated in the nucleus. Okay, along with the proton, neutrons are situated inside. Okay, so now let's discuss the question. The first question is, the charge on proton is, so we have seen it just now, the charge on proton is positive. The charge on electron is negatively charged. So the charge on electron is negative. Who discovered neutron? So it is James Chadwick, or you can just write Chadwick, Chadwick. So James Chadwick discovered neutron. Who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson, or you can just write Thomson discovered electron. We also have Thomson's model of atom. Okay, coming to the table, complete the following table of the properties of electron, proton, and neutron. So the charge on electron is negative. Charge on proton is positive. Neutron, no charge. Position, electron, it revolves around the nucleus. So the position is orbit. Okay, it revolves in the orbit. Proton, the position is nucleus. Neutron, the position is nucleus. Symbol, for electron we use the symbol E. For proton we use the symbol P. For neutron we use the symbol N. Third question, state whether the following statement is true or false. Neutron has positive charge. No, neutron has no charge at all. So this statement is wrong. False. Second, the electron revolve around the nucleus. So yes, electron revolve around the nucleus in orbits. Then the proton has a positive charge. True. Proton and neutron are in the nucleus. Yes, both of them are in the nucleus. James Chadwick discovered proton. So who discovered proton? James Chadwick? Yes or no? No, it's false. So who discovered proton? It was E. Goldstein. So the statement is false. So these were the questions related to today's